guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning back in to see another tutorial from me. I did show you how I installed the clip-ins and I installed them in a different style than I did before. So if you would like to see how I install these clip-ins to create this style, then continue to watch today to install some Amazon Kinky curler clip-ins. And yeah, this is the state that we have it in now. We left this one side out. Only thing I have on it is going to be some Cantu leave-in and some Eco Styling gel and some black castor oil saturated through the ends of my hair. And through this side I only left this very edge out. And so yeah, here are the clip-ins that I'm going to be using, and I'll link them down below in the description box. But it's going to be the same Kinky Curly clip-ins I reviewed previously, so I'll link the video somewhere in here. I'm just going to install them. Let's get to it and cut out all the rambling. Now I'll have to input the link in the description box because I can't tell you offhand the length of these clip-ins are, but I will link them down below. But I'm guessing somewhere in between 6 and 8 inch and possibly maybe a 10 or 12 in length. But like I said, I'll link them down below. So I'm going to stop rambling and get into installing these clips, and then we'll come back with the final look. So stay tuned. Now I'm going to go ahead and let you see this style from all sides. Now I must warn you that this is a week delay. So you see the hair after I've already installed it and worn it a couple of days and fallen asleep on it to see exactly what it looks like. Now as far as the maintenance on this hair, I just sleep in my satin bonnet every night. And I did cop this from Amazon. And it does have the satin inside to this bonnet. And it also has the drawstring. So if you have a lot of hair, it'll help you sort of keep it all together. Now this is the right side. The left side. The back. And you already know what it looks like from the front. Now the only areas that I left out on my hair are going to be both front edges. And that was it. No other hair of mine is left out. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Girl, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel right now. Click the notification bell down below so you're always notified anytime I upload a new video. If you have any ideas on a new video or a new wig or a new look that you would like to see from me, then definitely leave it down in the description box below. But thanks so much for watching. Bye!